Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. So let's unbox it. Okay, so before opening the box, I'm to tell you that it's a 128 GB variant and it's the prism white version. So now let's open the box. After opening the box, first of all you can see the phone. After that you can see your fast charger. There's the OTG connector with USB type C with the USB. You get a pair of headphones. Which is by AKG, and according to your phone's color, the things you get inside the phone, for example white phone and white headphone and other stuff. Also you get some buds for the headphone. And we have nothing else inside the box. Oh yeah, this thing, which is the USB type C cable and USB C to USB 2.0 converter. And that's all for the Galaxy S10 unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.